Frankincense have so many remarkable benefits, but today we are going to be talking about using frankincense on your skin. I'm going to share with you how we can actually incorporate doTERRA's frankincense essential oils into your daily skin routine, and as well as how we can manage all sorts of skin from oily to dry skin and even acne or uneven skin. Stick with me as I'll show you how you can actually incorporate doTERRA's frankincense essential oils into your daily skincare routine. Let's bring the oils in to calm the mess. So frankincense essential oil is actually a powerhouse for skincare benefits. It can actually help to reduce lines like wrinkles, blemishes, or even aging spots. Incorporating essential oil into your daily skincare routine can actually bring back the youthful glow that you are actually looking for. If you're a mom who hasn't been looking after yourself, be ready to pamper yourself with doTERRA's frankincense essential oil. To apply frankincense essential oil onto your skin, always start with a clean and dry complexion. So take a few drops of the essential oils onto your palms and warm it in between your palms, just like this. And gently massage the oils into your face into a circular motions, but of course take out your glasses when you're actually doing it. So just do it in a circular motion, alright? So remember to pay attention to the areas that need extra help, for example in the forehead or underneath the eyes. But be very, very gentle, especially on your face, underneath your eyes, so because these are the really, really sensitive areas. Don't forget even onto your neck areas, because this technique not only enhances absorption, but also promotes relaxation and as well as rejuvenation on your skin. So you will typically notice the very hydrating effects on your skin, because frankincense essential oil has this compound called alpha pine, which actually helps to retain moisture on your skin. And secondly, if you are facing acne or blemishes on your skin complexion, even at myself above 40s, I do get blemishes or acne on my skin because I do have a very oily skin nature. Frankincense essential oil is really, really good for oily skin. So what is always recommended is that you can dilute frankincense essential oil with doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil, or use one of your favorite oil, carrier oil, such as jojoba or almond oil. And you can dilute into a dropper bottle so that it's easier for application on a daily basis. So what you can do is, once you dilute into the dropper bottle, you can drip one drop of the diluted frankincense essential oil and apply it to the acne area that you're facing. This method really ensures that you can maximize the benefits of frankincense essential oil without actually wasting too much frankincense essential oil, especially moms who are on budget like me. You can actually drip 20 drops of frankincense essential oil into this bottle, and as well as to just top it up with fractionated coconut oil. One pro tip that I would like to teach you to actually heal blemishes even faster is to actually mix a few drops of frankincense essential oil into a natural corrector such as the tea tree essential oils or even aloe vera. I would actually apply the mixture directly onto my skin using clean hands or even with a cotton swab or a cotton bud, just like this. So remember to use all these on a regular basis because consistency will help. So I always encourage to use these oils on a consistent basis in order to actually see very good results on your skin. So my daily skincare routine with frankincense essential oil is to actually use frankincense essential oil onto my moisturizer directly. So I actually use the doTERRA hydrating cream. So what I usually do is that for a new tub of moisturizer for lazy moms with, or even moms without any extra time, I would usually drip about 10 drops of frankincense essential oil into this tub of doTERRA's hydrating cream, because by itself it already contains frankincense essential oil. So I will drip the oils into it and apply it on my skin on a daily basis. But if you do not want to drip the oils directly onto the moisturizer, you can always scoop a swab of it and drip 1 drop of frankincense essential oil onto your skin. So that can actually be done very much easily. Always remember to put frankincense essential oil onto the area where you always have all your skincare products, and then you would not actually forget to actually use it on a daily basis. Using frankincense essential oil on a daily basis not only helps you to have a clear and even and balanced complexion. Noticeably, every time I have an acne on my skin, and once I apply frankincense essential oil onto my acne or onto my skin, immediately within the next day, I can see that it reduces the inflammation and the redness and the soreness onto the skin on the acne area. So frankincense essential oil is also great on the hair. Simply just add 2 drops or even 1 drop of frankincense essential oil onto your daily shampoo. Actually enhance the nourishing properties of frankincense essential oil. Or if you have a new bottle of shampoo, you can always drip about 10 to 20 drops of frankincense essential oil into a huge bottle of shampoo. This will ensure that you reap the benefits of using frankincense essential oil on your hair. Regular use have been known to actually promote healthy hair, reduce hair breakage, and as well as promote shine in your hair. So next, let's talk about using frankincense essential oils on your hands and nails. Frankincense essential oils can be used on your hands and nails, and it can actually keep your nail cuticles strong and healthy. What I'll do is that I'll add a few drops of frankincense essential oil onto an unscented hand lotion and just apply it all over your hands and including your nail cuticles. Just like this. It will definitely help to hydrate your dry and tired hands, especially for moms who are actually managing a household and as well as doing the house chores. I fully understand how dry and how rough the skin can be if you do not take care of your hands. So frankincense essential oil are also a good way to do aromatherapy. On a long and tired day, what I usually do to reap the benefits of frankincense essential oil is to actually drip 1 to 2 drops of essential oil into a hot tub of warm water, put in the towel and then just put it over your face. And that is so relaxing, so moisturizing on your skin. And the next day, you will for sure reap the benefits of frankincense essential oil on your skin. Remember to diffuse frankincense essential oil on a daily basis, because this would actually help to ground you and relax and reduce all the stresses that you are actually going through. As a tired mom, or as a tired grandmother, or as a tired parent. If you are a new oil user and you are a non-doTERRA user, remember to download my free essential oil guidebook for free, because in the guidebook I will share about all my top 10 essential oils, the diffuser blend, and what are the oils that I use in my family on a daily basis. And remember to click on the link below if you want to purchase any doTERRA's product, because it will immediately allow you to get 25% off retail prices and have the products shipped directly from doTERRA's office in order to ensure the authenticity of the product. Alright, so if you find value in my video, remember to like and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. And be sure to watch out for my next video where I introduce to you the new powerhouse of doTERRA's frankincense plus Nio stick. So stay tuned.